Hi everybody, haven't done one of these videos in a while. Weather's been, overall pretty quiet and certainly a nice run of 70-degree weather. If we make it to 70 today, which is at least possible on this Tuesday, it would be 4 days in a row. And that's something we have not done since September. Probably not surprising to you, right? Okay, I am forecasting 68. Clouds have pretty much filled in the majority of the gaps around the valley now. Interesting, our Newport camera, it's 11:23 this morning down in Newport. Still shows sunshine there, but for the most part, the clouds coming in from the northwest are filling the gaps across the area. And for the majority of us, this will simply be an overcast afternoon. I'm going to leave the chance of maybe just a trace of rain at some point later today and this evening as the cloud deck continues to get thicker. The chance of a trace of rain, but otherwise, it's just clouds spilling overhead. These clouds will thin out during the day tomorrow, and the clouds coming in today are with a push of warmer air. So assuming we get some afternoon sun tomorrow, the temperature will go up again, right? And we'll get up to about 77 for a high temperature tomorrow. That would become, by 1 degree, the warmest that we have been so far this year. Was 76 back on Sunday. The front coming in Thursday evening, forecast models are now saying that it's possible that any rain on Thursday holds off until either A, late afternoon, or B, even until the evening. I think there's a reasonable chance that we'll be dry in the morning Thursday and then see an increasing chance of rain with thickening cloud cover during the afternoon, but maybe the rain holds off until later in the day. If it holds off until later in the day, Thursday will probably get up to 70 or better as well. Behind that front, now it's a cooler weather pattern into the Memorial Day weekend. Friday, scattered showers, a little bit of sun, perhaps mixed in, 63. A second and very wet system sends us developing widespread steady rain, I think, by the time you wake up Saturday morning. And then much of Saturday could be raining. That's a widespread, fairly steady rain. It's a possibility with the second front that slowly comes in around noon, and then the trailing upper level low doesn't really get out of here until we're well into the evening hours. Forecast models have backed off somewhat, but they were showing we could get upwards of a half of an inch of rain on Saturday, which I still think is reasonable. To think maybe we will get a good soak like that. Sunday, we're left with the chilly, unstable air mass, so that's a sunbreak, scattered heavy shower day, probably some hail mixed in, maybe a rumble of thunder. That's Sunday. Snow level Sunday morning, by the way, over Memorial Day weekend, 4,000 feet. Certainly possible that travelers early morning Sunday, traveling over the Cascades, will find some snow at pass level. And a reminder, some of those campgrounds in the Cascades and over into the Deschutes National Forest as well are still closed, some of them, especially Deschutes National Forest, because of snow that won't be cleared until it melts. And then that's all I have. Real quick, Memorial Day still looks like a day that potentially could be dry. Certainly a drier day, if not completely dry. That's Monday, the actual holiday. I have it warming back up to about 66. Okay, have a great rest of your Tuesday. I'll talk to you soon.